as we promised that we are starting our bedtime learners. So today I am with the lesson matter around us pure. Just we can go with each concepts. Do hear it. Don't see the video because when you are sleeping, if you are seeing the video, your eyes shall be spoiled. So just on it and turn off the autoplay button and you can continue. Once the video is done, it will be turned off automatically. The next video will be not continued. So the first concept for this is pure substance. Pure substance. This is made up of only one type of particles. This is known as pure substance. Impure substance. This is made up of two or two more types of particles. This is known as impure substance. That then the matter is divided into two types, that is pure substance and mixture. And pure substance is divided into two types, that is elements, compounds, and mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Elements. There are 115 elements known, 92 occurs in nature, 23 prepared artificially. Metals. A metal is an element that is malleable, ductile, conduct electricity, etc. Except mercury, all metals are solids. Now we can see the properties of metals. The properties of metals are malleable, ductile, conduct heat and electricity, lustrous, hard, strong, solid at room temperature except mercury, has high densities, sonorous. Next is about the non-metals. The non-metals can be simply said as opposite to metals, as their properties are, as you can tell, have it as in a simple way that if malleable in metal there means it is not there in non-metal. So it is called as the opposite to metal. Now we can see of metalloids. There are few elements which show some properties of metal and other properties of non-metal. This is known as metalloids. Now we can see the topic of compounds. A compound is made up of two or more elements combined in a fixed proportion by weight. Types of compounds. Organic compounds, inorganic compounds. There are two types. There are organic and inorganic. What is meant by organic compound? There are compounds containing carbon and few other elements like hydrogen, oxygen, etc. These were originally obtained only from animals and plants. Inorganic compounds. There are compounds containing any two or more elements out of more than 110 elements, that is 110 elements known so far. These are usually obtained from minerals and rocks. Mixtures. Mixtures of two types. They are homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous has uniform composition and heterogeneous has ununiform composition. Suspension. This is a heterogeneous mixture in which these small particles of solid are spread throughout a liquid without dissolving in it. Now it's of colloid. A colloid is a kind of solution in which the size of solute particles is bigger than that of a true solution but smaller than that of a suspension. Dispersed phase. These colloid particles which are dispersed in dispersion medium are collectively called dispersed phase. Dispersion medium. The medium in which colloidal particles are dispersed is called dispersion medium. Tyndall effect. A colloid scatters a beam of light passing through it. Such a phenomenon is called as Tyndall effect. Concentration of solution. Concentration in terms of mass. The concentration of a solution is defined as the mass of a solution in grams percent in 100 grams of solution. Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Concentration terms in volume. The concentration of a solution is defined as the volume of the solute in milliliters present in 100 milliliters of solution. Volume of solute by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Physical change. Change the appearance of a substance. Chemical change. Change a substance into a new chemical formula. Separating the compounds of mixture are of 9 types. They are evaporation, centrifugation, separating funnel, sublimation, chromatography, distillation, fractional distillation, crystallization, purification of drinking water. Just then, this is the lesson for the matter and dispute. Just I wrote these points in a note, so I turned the pages so you can hear the pages turned sounds. So do hear it and have a nice sleep. From then, good night all.